In this video, let's see how you can create an Edge service at the Azion Platform so you can configure the install, uninstall, and reload triggers and define the dependencies between the resources needed to run your service on your Edge network. Let's get started. Go to Real-Time Manager. On the top left menu, select Edge Libraries and Edge Services. Click on the Add Service button. Note that your service will be created automatically. You can change the name of the service by clicking on My New Service in the name bar. Then, click on the Add Resource button. You will be redirected to Resources tab. Configure the resources you need for your service using the triggers. Install, reload, and uninstall. You can use variables and facts to customize your resources. Where you have used variables in the content of one or more resources, you can set the default values for them in the Environment tab. Note that the variables must be in the format variable equals value, where variable has been used in the content of resources that are already registered. Activate the service and click on the Save button. And there you have it, folks. Customizing error response pages has never been easier with Azion Edge application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.